Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and enter Display. In this menu you've got all of your display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode, change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, and extra brightness. We can also schedule our dark mode in the phone. Next, we can change motion smoothness between adaptive and standard, enable or disable eye comfort shield, change screen mode between vivid and natural. Also we can change white balance, adjust font size and style, bold font, and screen zoom. Next, we can change screen resolution, adjust full screen apps, and change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Then we can turn on easy mode, enable or disable edge panels, customize navigation bar between buttons, swipe gestures, change button order, and enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and at the end we can enable screensaver between colors, photo frame, and photo table. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.